Welcome to your ultimate full-body workout, designed specifically for beginners. Today, we're going to guide you step by step through a complete routine that will target every major muscle group, improve your strength, flexibility, and endurance, and leave you feeling energized, confident, and ready to take on the day. Before starting any exercise, warming up is essential to prepare your body, prevent injury, and boost your performance. Begin with 5 to 7 minutes of light cardio, such as marching in place, gentle jumping jacks, arm swings, or a brisk walk. Around your home, this increases blood flow to your muscles, raises your heart rate, and primes your joints for the movements ahead. Once you feel your body warming up, it's time to start with the upper body. Push-ups are a cornerstone exercise for building strength in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. If standard push-ups are too difficult, don't worry, you can do modified push-ups on your knees or against a wall. Focus on keeping your core tight, back straight, and moving in a slow, controlled manner. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. To target the back, simple rows using resistance bands, light dumbbells, or even just your own body are highly effective. Pull your elbows back, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and slowly return to the starting position for 10 to 12 repetitions. This strengthens your upper and mid-back, improves posture, and balances your upper body muscles. Next, let's focus on the lower body. Squats are excellent for the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest upright, and lower your hips, as if sitting into a chair. Go as low as you can comfortably, then press through your heels to stand back up. Beginners can start with 12 to 15 repetitions, and as you progress, you can hold dumbbells or a water bottle to increase intensity. To target the inner thighs and add variety, side lunges are perfect. Step out to one side, bend the knee of that leg while keeping the other leg straight, and push back to center. Alternate sides for 10 to 12 repetitions each. Don't forget your calves. Calf raises are simple but highly effective. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Rise onto your toes, pause for a second, and lower slowly. Repeat 15 to 20 times, focusing on controlled movements. Now, it's time to strengthen the core, which is critical for stability, balance, and overall functional strength. Start with basic crunches. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your hands gently behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground using your abdominal muscles, then slowly lower back down. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions, keeping the movement slow and controlled. For an added challenge, bicycle crunches are excellent. Lift your legs off the floor. Bring opposite elbow to knee while extending the other leg, and alternate sides for 12 to 15 repetitions. Planks are another essential core exercise that strengthens the abs, back, and shoulders. Start on your elbows and toes. Keep your body in a straight line, and hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Beginners can modify by dropping their knees to the floor. Side planks are also great for targeting the obliques and improving balance. Hold each side for 15 to 20 seconds. Beyond strength, incorporating functional movements improves flexibility, posture, and coordination. Standing side bends with arms overhead help stretch your obliques and side muscles. Hold each side for 10 seconds while engaging your core. Arm circles improve shoulder mobility. Start small and gradually increase the size, doing 20 seconds forward and backward. Gentle torso twists while standing also activate your spine and core, preparing your body for more dynamic movements. Now let's talk about progression and variations. As your strength improves, you can increase repetitions, hold weights, or add new exercises like mountain climbers, glute bridges, donkey kicks, or resistance band squats. Beginners should focus on proper form, controlled movements, and breathing techniques. Inhale during the easier phase of the movement. Exhale during exertion. This ensures proper oxygen flow and prevents fatigue. Hydration and nutrition play a critical role in your results. Drink water before, during, and after your workout. Eating a balanced diet with sufficient protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats will support muscle growth, recovery, and energy levels. Avoid skipping meals and focus on nutrient-rich foods to fuel your body for optimal performance. Motivation is key in any fitness journey. Start with small goals, such as completing the full routine consistently for a week, or adding an extra repetition to each exercise. Celebrate small wins because progress, no matter how minor it seems, compounds over time. Consider pairing workouts with music, following along with guided sessions, or even tracking progress in a journal or app. This makes the experience enjoyable and helps maintain consistency. Stretching and cooling down after your workout is just as important as the exercises themselves. Stretching improves flexibility, reduces soreness, and aids recovery. Stretch your hamstrings by sitting on the floor and reaching for your toes, holding for 20 to 30 seconds. Stretch your quadriceps by standing on one leg, pulling your other foot toward your glutes, and holding for 20 seconds. Don't forget shoulders, triceps, and back stretches to release tension. Breathe deeply during each stretch, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth to relax your muscles fully. Over time, your body will adapt, and you will notice improvements in strength, endurance, and confidence. Consistency is far more important than intensity at the beginner stage. Even a short 20-minute session performed 3 to 4 times a week can yield impressive results over a few months. Remember, there is no rush. Listen to your body. Take rest days when needed, and avoid over. Fitness is a lifelong journey, not a one-day task. Set realistic expectations, track your progress, and adjust your routine as you grow stronger. Incorporating this full-body workout into your weekly schedule creates a strong foundation for more advanced exercises in the future. Beyond physical benefits, regular exercise improves mental health, boosts mood, increases energy, and reduces stress. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, which can make your day brighter, improve focus, and even help with better sleep. Combining physical effort with mindfulness and positive self-talk reinforces a healthy lifestyle and builds confidence. Remember, success in fitness is not just measured by appearance, it's measured by increased energy, improved strength, better endurance, and a healthier mindset. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain strength, tone muscles, or simply feel healthier, this beginner-friendly full-body workout sets the stage for transformation. Every push-up, squat, plank, or stretch contributes to building a stronger, more resilient body. Keep challenging yourself gradually. Embrace progress over perfection, and remember that small, consistent efforts create big results over time. So, clear your space, grab a water bottle, and get ready to move. Today's the perfect day to start this journey, and by committing to this routine, you're investing in your health, your energy, and your confidence. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and enjoy every moment of this full-body workout. With patience, persistence, and a positive mindset, you'll see and feel the transformation in your body and mind. Let's begin, and remember, this is just the start of a stronger, healthier, and happier you one workout at a time.